How to delete messages in RingCentral. Let's get started. Navigate to your RingCentral account. Go to the Messages tab. Click on the message icon in the left sidebar. Here you'll see all your message threads, including SMS, team chats, and voicemails. Select the conversation you want to delete. For SMS or team messages, click the three-dot menu next to the message or thread. Then select Delete or Delete Conversation. Confirm when prompted. Go to the voicemail or fax section. Click the trash icon next to the message. Confirm deletion. If you want to delete message in the mobile app, what you want to do is open the RingCentral app on your phone, tap the Messages tab at the bottom, select the conversation or voicemail you want to delete, tap and hold, or swipe left, tap Delete and confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to delete messages from your RingCentral account on both desktop and mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.